Good morning, students. Now we study the solution of a quadratic equation. In previous lecture, we studied what is a quadratic equation, how to check the given equation is quadratic or not. In this lecture, we study solutions for a quadratic equation. To find the solution, we have different methods. First one is factorization, second one is completing square, third one is direct formula based. The point number 2, completing square. This method is very important. It generally comes in the examination. So we studied one by one. First of all, we study about factorization. How factorization method works. In this method, we have to split this middle term by explaining this question. The factorization is or we may call it as middle term splitting method. In this method, अब इसमें क्या करेंगे, इसमें ये करना है कि आपकी जो मिडल टर्म है उसको ब्रेक करेंगे अलग अलग पार्ट्स में. इसके लिए जो आपका कंपोनेंट है कंपेयर करेंगे स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन से. जो आपका ए वेरिएबल है, ए कोएफिशिएंट और जो सी है उसका प्रोडक्ट, उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. यहाँ पे ए है 2 और सी है 3, तो 2 और 3 को मल्टीप्लाई किया हमारे पास आया 6 आ गए मल्टीप्लिकेशन इसका. अब ये जो 6 है इसके ऐसे फैक्टर करेंगे मिडिल टर्म के 5 के कि हमें 6 मिल जाए. अब 6 के फैक्टर करो, 6 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 3. So in this case 6 into 1, if I take 6 negative and 1 for positive, we get -5. So for this equation 6 and 1 is a proper factor. So replace it. Now we have to solve by this factor. We have 6 into 1, 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. We have to check the symbol of the middle term. It is minus. So the bigger quantity or bigger value is of negative sign and smaller is of positive sign. So we take this as a factor. So represent 2x square 5 minus 3x minus 2x plus 3. If I represent it as minus and positive, minus 3 plus 2, it becomes 1. So that is the wrong assumption. So we have to take minus 3 as well as minus 2. Now arrange it. 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Take 2x common, x minus x minus 1 minus 3 x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now common x minus 1, 2x minus 0. Since these are the product is equal to 0, we separate x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. From this we get x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. From this we get 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. So the solution means we have to find the values of x. So we get two values of x. The first solution is x is equal to 1, second solution is x is equal to 3 by 2. Since the maximum power variable is 2, hence we get two different solutions. They may be same, they may be different. Positive, negative, it varies with the problem. So in this case the answer is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2. This is the method factorization or middle term splitting method. The second one is completing square. This is most important. It comes oftenly in exams with 5-mark problem. So we studied it. We study it now with the same problem. we have to find roots या solutions for this question by completing square method. In this method आप क्या करेंगे इसमें करना है कि आपको कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड में हम करेंगे जो आपका मिडिल टर्म है, मतलब जो फर्स्ट एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट है उसको बनाएंगे यूनिटी मतलब 1। यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर के कोफिशिएंट की जगह हमेशा और हमेशा 1 होना चाहिए। अब इस केस में क्या हमारा 1 है नहीं, तो इसको 1 बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से 2 कॉमन ले लेते हैं। ये जो 2 आपको दिख रहा है कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, इसको कॉमन करेंगे। सो 2 हमने कॉमन किया तो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5/2x प्लस 3/2 इज इक्वल टू 0। अब इसको राइट साइड इक्वेट करेंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5/2x प्लस 3/2 इज इक्वल टू 0/2। समथिंग बाय 0 by something is 0, so x square minus 5/2x plus 3/2 is equal to 0. In this case, we get x square coefficient is unity. Now we get 1. This is the first step to solve this by this approach. We have to make x square coefficient unity. Now it is 1 here. The second step. Now we take the coefficient of x, half of the coefficient of x and square it. We will add the same and subtract the same. मतलब जो x है उसका जो कोफिशिएंट है उसका हाफ का स्क्वायर ऐड करेंगे और हाफ का स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। तो इसमें क्या बनेगा आप देखते हैं, ये हमारे पास माइनस 5/2x 5/2 इसका हाफ, तो हमने किया 5/2 इसका हाफ, इसका स्क्वायर ऐड करेंगे, इसका स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और ये प्लस 3/2 इज इक्वल टू 0 था। मतलब ये बन गया हमारे पास एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5/2x प्लस 5/4 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 5/4 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3/2 is equal to 0. Now a square plus b square minus 2ab is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the formula of a minus b. In this case a is x and b is 5/4, and we have to separate this plus 3/2 minus 5/4 का whole square is equal to 0. This is the main point. It becomes a formula of a minus b whole square. In this question a is x and b is 5/4. So this is the proper formula for this. Now we have to solve this. So take these quantities to the right side. X minus 5/4 whole square is equal to 3/2 plus 25/4 minus 3/2 plus 25/4. So we have to take LCM now. Let me check. This is minus 3/2. This is we have to take square of 4. This one is 16. 4 plus square 16. 25 square 5 square is 25. 4 square is 16. Now take LCM. 16 is the LCM and 8 into 3 24 with the sign negative plus 16 This one is 25. 25 minus 24 is 1 by 16, and we have x minus 4, x minus 5 by 4 whole square. Now the right side we have to take square root, but for square root we will get two values. One is positive, another one is negative. From this plus minus we get two different values. So x minus 5 by 4. In the first case we get plus 1 by 16 root, and in the second case x minus 5 by 4 we get minus 1 by 16 square root. So root of 16 is 4. We will get x minus 5 by 4, and replace it to the right hand side, plus 5 by 4. Take LCM, we get 6 by 4 is 3 by 2. And from this we get x minus 5 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Square root of 16 is 4. So x is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. And we get, taking LCM as 4, 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into 4 cancel 1. X is equal to 1. And in this case x is equal to 3 by 2. So from completing square method we get the same answer for x, that is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So method is different, but the solution for this x or the roots of this quadratic equation is same, that is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2. So the last concept or the last method to solve the quadratic equation is by formula. This one is the simplest form. We have to write just the formula and compare the values. The formula is, if x is the solution, we have formula minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. We have to solve the same question with this approach. What will we get? Comparing, in this case, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to plus 3. Replacing the values in the formula, we get x is equal to minus of b minus 5 plus minus under root b square minus 5 square minus 4 into a into c upon 2 into a. Now minus minus plus 5 plus minus 25 minus 24 upon 2 into 2, 4, 5 plus minus under root 1, and root of 1 is 1, we get 5 plus minus 1 by 4. We have to solve separately for positive and negative. So x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 4, 4, x is equal to 5 minus 1 by 4. 5 plus 1, 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. 5 minus 1, 4 by 4, that is 1. So for different methods, we get the same value of x or the same solution for every type of method. So these are three methods to solve a quadratic equation. In this case, by formula based method, we get the same value, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Thank you.